Bring your own device. Keep private and professional matters separate. A video by MobiVisor. Bring your own device means that employees bring their own devices to work and are allowed to use them both professionally and privately. Bring your own device can have a number of advantages. For example, employees are already familiar with the device and know how to use it. Resources are also saved because new devices do not always have to be bought. Employees also only have to carry one mobile device with them, which is practical if they work remotely or are on the road a lot. If employees bring their own devices and are allowed to use them for private and professional purposes, the companies should clearly regulate this in order to prevent problems. From a purely legal point of view, if an employee uses an app for private and professional purposes, for example WhatsApp, they may also use other apps, such as email accounts, in a mixed manner if there is no clear regulation. However, mixed use with bring your own devices raises questions. Because what are companies actually allowed to do? If there are none or only incomplete regulations on the private and business use of mobile devices and the associated accounts, it can become difficult when problems arise between companies and employees. This is because companies are not even allowed to view or remove messages sent via privately used apps in the event of suspicion, for example if company data has been unlawfully forwarded or even sent to competitors. In order to prevent problems and possible misuse, it is therefore important that bring your own device models are compliant to data protection standards. This can mean, for example, that a mobile device management system is installed on the mobile devices, which can be used to set up a work and a private profile on a single device. Guidelines can then be used to specify which apps can be used on the work profile. Furthermore, it is possible to set restrictions on the work profile too. Possible guidelines that can be set up for the work profile in MobiVisor are, for example, preventing the transfer of data between the two profiles, setting up a private and a business email account, and separating business and private contacts. This helps to ensure that private and business matters are not mixed, even though the same device is being used, and that companies and employees can use mobile devices safely. If you have any further questions about bring your own device in your company or about mobile device management in general, please feel free to contact us at any time. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we look forward to you following us on our social media channels or visiting us online at www.mobivisor.de.